Hello guys and welcome back to another video. We will be doing Forza and I am driving my M3 competition right now. But we will change the car. Today in Forza we will be doing, let me see on the map first. What will we be doing? We will just be pretty much driving around and doing a challenge to see whenever I crash my car randomises, which I probably will never crash. If I don't crash. But I don't. Oh! Oh shoot. Okay, new car. Nope, new car. Who put this paint on that car? It's so bad. Because I swear to God I didn't put that on. Someone gifted me this car, so... Oh my God! I already crashed. See, this is why I don't like the tunnels, guys. Because... I don't like them. They're just too curvy. What is this car? What is that? I'm never driving this car ever again. This car is so bad. Okay, I can't crash, guys. Anything that breaks when I hit it, that's fine, but anything that doesn't break, yeah, that counts as a crash. Like if I crash into NPCs, buildings, rocks, or a tree, that counts. No. Okay, I'm good. Don't crash, please. Yeah, but if you could hit that like and subscribe, that would be great. It helps out the channel a lot. My goal is to get at least 50 subs because I only have like 12 or 13. But yeah, how's your day going? I hope it's doing good, but usually no one ever sees my videos, so this is just a waste of time. But, yeah, I'm just doing this so I can have fun, because I just made this channel, excuse me, I just made this channel really to do this, and nothing else. I hope this is one day on your recommended page on YouTube. And yeah, I haven't crashed so far, so that's good. Oh shoot, I almost crashed into the rock there, guys. Oh no. Thank God nothing was there. And I cannot pause. So whatever. And unless I need to get a car, like change the car because I crashed. But if I have to pause, I can't. Unless if I have to go somewhere. But yeah, I don't think we have any plans right now. So I could keep filming this video. Okay, okay. Oh, that was so close. I could have got cooked. Let me know down below, what is your favorite car in this game? 'Cause I want to know. I'm just curious. How have I not crashed? Oh shoot. Let's go, we're in the desert. Oh shoot. That's a crash. That's a crash, yeah. Oh no! There we go. I hope someone sees this video. But, our challenge is to make it to the festival. Nope. Oh my god. Bruh. And somehow we're back in the M4. I don't know how, but we just are. Well, we can't do the M3. No. We haven't done the M4. We've only done the M3. Oh shoot. That bus, I almost crashed into it. That would be good if I crashed into it. Oh shoot! Why is there so many NPCs over here? We're almost there. Please don't crash into these rocks. This is about to be the end of the video, guys. We're almost there. Come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, come on. Okay, we made it. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And until next time, bye.